Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating a 9:16 mobile project in Canva because YouTube Shorts require vertical video. This preserves framing and avoids black bars. Once done, upload your footage or photos and place the strongest clip at the start to hook viewers in the first 3 seconds. Make sure to trim rough footage immediately and discard unusable takes. This saves time later. You're setting the structure now, so editing focuses on pacing and message, rather than fixing basic media problems. You now refine pace and clarity. Cut clips to half-second or 2-second beats to maintain momentum, because short attention spans demand rapid movement. Once trimmed, add concise text overlays and bold fonts that reinforce spoken points. This helps viewers who watch muted. Make subtle zooms and snappy transitions to emphasize actions, and balance audio so speech is clear and music never drowns dialogue. You'll also sync cuts to musical accents to make the short feel polished and intentional. You finish by exporting MP4 at 1080x1920 using H.264 and 2460 fps so YouTube accepts the file and quality stays crisp. Choose a bitrate that balances size and clarity. Once exported, upload to YouTube, include a clear title, add hash shorts in the description, and select a vertical thumbnail frame to maximize click-through. If YouTube rejects or quality drops, re-export at a slightly lower bitrate or enable progressive export in Canva. This usually
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.